in the early morning rain, with $1 in my hand and an aching in my heart, and a pocket full of sand. I'm a long way from home, and I miss my loved ones so. In the early morning rain, with no place to go, out on runway number 9, 707 set to go, and I'm out here on the grass where the cold winds blow. Well, the liquor tasted good, and the women all were fast. She'll be rolling down this way, she'll be rolling down to the last. Hear the mighty engines roll, see the silver bird on high. She's away and westward bound, and up above the clouds she'll fly, where the morning rain don't fall and the sun always shines. She'll be flying over my home in about 3 hours' time, and this old airport's got me down. It's no earthly good to me, 'cause I'm stuck here on the ground, as cold and drunk as I can be. And you can't hop a jet plane the way you can a freight train, so I'll just be on my way in the early morning rain. Thank you.